Welcome to the Mott and Krid Show.
Welcome to the Mott and Krid Show. Some studio gear upgrades. This is the third delivery by Presonus. I've been trying to replace this monitor station. It burned out, lasted quite some time, so I was generally happy with it. I've been trying to replace this and upgrade it to the Central Station Plus. First unit was defective, they sent the second one is defective. Now they send the third one, maybe 3 times as a charm, so let's see what we've got this time. Alright, so here we have the brand new box. That's the heart of the Central Station Plus. Got the little gel pack still in it. Let's see. It's got that new smell. It's kind of fun, these little compartments in here. You lift this up, gets you the remote control. Here it is. We have a nice little box here. Here we have the remote control cable. Now that's actually sealed. Need our trusty scissors. And another power cord. And that's it. Central Station Plus.